Semantic markup. So semantic markup tags are the idea of, we used to all do the same, we kept doing the same things over and over. And we said, okay, we need headers, we need footers, we need sections and asides, and we all had div ID equals main and all that kind of stuff. So instead, we're making use of, this is the default MVC. Oops, I did the wrong one. Well, I can use it as an arrow. This is the default, it's another arrow, forget it. There's a, well, I don't know, can you see it okay? It's not that big of a room. Okay, so we've got a header tag at the top, we have a section in the middle. Inside, we have a nav element for navigation, right? So these are not just your standard div, nav, div this, div this, div this, right? So people call that div-itis, using divs all over the place. So we're using semantic markup. We're thinking things through. We're caring about what our markup means. Because of that, this is great. I mentioned SEO, but what about a screen reader? So if somebody is sight impaired and they want to access our content, a screen reader is able to come to this and immediately say, this is navigation, and process the content differently. It's able to, when they call up commands to navigate, boom, it's right there. Have you ever looked at your site or tried out your site using a screen reader? It's torturous, isn't it? I mean, if you haven't put some thought into it, it broke my heart looking at some, you know, like looking at some sites I'd worked on. I thought, man, I've put people through some just hell trying to get around here, you know? And by thinking of things, and fortunately this makes it so easy when you do file a new project. You just work with this and you're off to a good start. But by thinking of your content as structured documents, you're able to provide a lot more value, not